As a second year university cybersecurity student with no experience, I am very confused about where to start. I understand, Sulak. Where you start is where you happen to be standing right now. I know that sounds like some esoteric bullshit, but I'm about to tell you exactly what you do. So, what you're gonna do if you're a university student is right now you need to get experience. I know there's a lot of narratives out there. There's narratives saying don't get a degree, it's a waste of time, don't do it. There's a narrative that says just get certifications, that's all you got to get. And then there's a narrative that says there's all these different narratives that are very influential, and they're probably popping up in your algorithm, right? Whether you go on TikTok or you go on, I know you know what I'm talking about, right? Because I see these two and they're very influential, and you go down these rabbit holes and stuff. You need to zoom out. All right, zoom out. What I mean by that is look at all the data. And I'm about to clue you in on some of that data. And I don't want you to just listen to me, some random talking head on the internet. I want you to see data. And so let me show you numbers. And then I'll get to where you should go from here. I'll and all of you guys who have been doing this for a long time, Larry, David, Petrell, you guys who are already in this industry, you guys give your 2 cents. So we've got a university student, right? Who We have a university student who is in cybersecurity program, and they're like, man, where do I start? How do I get in? What do I do? Right. So now they're being influenced by all these different talking heads online. And what do you think they should do? You as professionals who already are in the GRC space, already working for the government, already making good money or whatever, have been doing this for 20 plus years. What should a student do right now? If you were in their shoes, what would you do? And I'm going to read your comments. So chime in.